Hey guys, it's my bike check. Let's start from the front. I have a Joe Dirt folding tire, 20 by 2.25, premium light wheel with all black stock bars, red OEI. Cut off the flanges because it's better. Stock bars. And then red premium stem, red anodized finish. Let's move over here. Stock harder frame. The compound's the best. And red metal clamp, Haro seat cover seat, and my friend gave me his. My friend gave me his stock strings from his other bike, and they're sanded down. Red anodized premium swim pedals, they go for a lot. And red, chrome finish polish sprocket, 25 teeth. Red KMC chain. Crappy, but it's holding up for now. Premium conversion kit. It came with the alienation rim, and then silver nipple, red anodized power spokes, and then